look at how this book started compared to where it's at now. Right now, we're looking at a BSR of just 869 in the entire Amazon store. And it didn't start off that way by any means, right? Troy published this book a number of years ago, and you check it out, like, 400, 500, 300, 58,000, 300, right? Like in the hundreds of thousands BSR, but then what ended up happening? He kept working at it, kept getting more reviews, it looks like we got a couple price adjustments here. He just kept building the business. And here's an important point I want to point out, right? This is why it's so important not to get discouraged. And this is pure, like, I'm going to let you guys know right now, you're not going to learn jack all from this video. This video is inspirational. It's designed to show you why you don't give up. It's designed to get you to think about this business long term. You're not going to learn anything about keywords or like covers or like any of that stuff. So if that's all you care about, go click off and watch something else. But this video is designed just to inspire you and show you what's possible. Look, he published this book. We got, I guess I have a published date up here, right? Where's the published date? Right here. He published this. Why is there no published date? Isn't there usually a published date? Right here. May 2020 is when he published this, okay? And so from May 2020 to, where's he dropped below 10,000? He drops below 10,000. Oh, there's 10.6. 10.6. Oh, I saw 8. Okay. Oh, wow. It took him 1 year. So 1 year it took him to drop below 10,000. 1 year, 12 months of not knowing if it was going to work. Now let's go back right here and we can check this out, right? So for him to start getting below 100,000 BSR consistently, okay, consistently, it took him, okay, it only took him a couple months. So that's not too bad, right? Just a couple months. But then for things to really pick up, and you guys who have books under 20,000 BSR, there's a big difference once your book drops below 20,000 BSR. Things really start humming and hawing, right? That happened. We can say that happened around. So, oh God, this is, yeah, just around the 1 year mark, right? Because we're at, what was May 2020, and this is April 2021, right? But then another big drop happened when he stayed below 10,000, right? And that looks like it's around the fall of 2021, right? So just over a year, and then, now we're like 5,000, 6,000, 4,000, right? And then how long did it take him to start dropping and really, really start changing his life with this book? There, 3 years, 2 years, 3 years. 2023 is when he started seeing sales below 1,000 BSR. And for the very few of you who will ever experience that, it's absolutely life-changing. In the US store, under 1,000 BSR in Canada or UK, that doesn't count. It's good money, but it's not US money.